Okay, guys, we're going to try the real number system here in 2 minutes. I'm going to see if I can get it done in 2 minutes. So here we go. Everything you're going to learn in the 8th grade is going to fall under the real number system. So underneath that, you're going to have two different sets. One's going to be rational, one's going to be irrational. We'll start with the easy one first. That's irrational. An example of irrational would be pi. Pi does not repeat. Okay, and it does not stop. So that means it's non-terminating. Okay, so when you think of irrational numbers, I want you to think of pi, a number that does not repeat and does not terminate. Okay, rational numbers, that would be the opposite. Rationals repeat. So that might be like 1/3, which is 0.3 repeating. And it would terminate. So maybe something like 4 2/5, which is 4.4. Okay, again, it terminates and it's rational. If it repeats, it's rational. So getting away from the fractions and the decimals and all of that, integers are going to be all of the positive numbers, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the number in the middle of the number line, which is 0. And then the opposite of all the positives, which is -1, -2, and -3. So in other words, integers are all the positive numbers to positive infinity, and all the negative numbers to negative infinity, and the number in the middle, which is 0. Okay? No decimals, just negative and positive numbers. So moving on. Underneath integers will be whole numbers. Whole numbers is going to be 0, and then 1, 2, 3, all the way to positive infinity. And natural numbers is a whole number without 0. So we're going to start with 1, 2, 3. So the idea behind this, guys, is that natural is a subset of whole number. Natural and whole is a subset of integer. Natural, whole, and integer is a subset of rational. Rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers are a subset of the real number system. Okay, there is no subset to irrational numbers, so if you ever get one like that in a problem, that's a setup, that's a trick. They're trying to mess you up. If they ask, what is a subset of the real number system? All of these are a subset of the real number system. So once again, everything falls underneath the real number system. Then it splits between rational and irrational. There are no subsets to irrational. Underneath rational, you have integers, and then a subset of integers and rational is whole. And then a subset of those three is natural. Remember, natural is 1, 2, 3 without the 0. Whole number is a natural number with 0 added to it. 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to positive infinity. Integer is the whole number line, positive infinity to negative infinity, including 0. And rational is where you get into the decimals and the fractions. It's got to either repeat or terminate. Irrational does not repeat, does not terminate. Well, that was 3 minutes.